Hello and welcome to the phonics intervention page. I'm going to quickly walk you through everything to do through this page. Okay, so first when you get to this page, you will see a welcome teachers page. Go ahead and click enter site. And then it will take you to the home page. On the home page, you'll see different pictures, and then when you scroll down, it's going to explain everything about this site. So it will explain to you what phonics is and why this was created. When you click on behind the design, it's going to take you to this page. On this page, it walks you through everything from the design story to the mind map to where I am now with developing this artifact. So going through this page, it's just really the blueprints of everything for this artifact. Nearpod access, this will be the most important page because this is where you will access the actual presentations. So if you go down here, you click right there for Nearpod Module 1 as well as the other Nearpod modules, and that is where you will gain your access to begin the presentations. If you click on resources over here, you will see several different resources. They provide a brief description about the resources, and you can click on them and they will take you to those pages and you can read all about them. Down here it says let's chat. If you have any questions or concerns, you can talk to me and contact me right here, and I will be able to respond to you at the earliest convenience. So welcome to this site.